Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I'm going to explain to you how to make a free website for Google Ads. So make sure to stick around till the very end to discover the steps needed to establish your own website and kickstart your Google Ads journey. When you are on the Google Sites homepage, you will see different choices. Click on Blank Site to begin making a website completely from the beginning. Before exploring the design, take a moment to explore template options. Google Sites offers pre-designed templates like project, salon, student portfolio, event, and family update. For more template choices, click on Template Gallery. If you prefer to start, click on Blank Site to create your website. On the right panel of the website editor, you will find content blocks. These are pre-designed sections that you can easily insert into your pages. Scroll down on the right side of the page to find extra features that can make your website work better and look more interesting. Start designing by entering your chosen page title. For example, if your website is about a YouTube channel, use a title like YouTube channel. Explore the header type choices to decide how your content should look in terms of importance and visual order. Put in your site name and add a logo using the Add Logo feature. Click on the entered title to add extra details. For example, you can include a subtitle like for tutorial and guides to provide visitors with a quick overview of your content. Use formatting tools like making text bold, italic, or underlined to highlight specific parts of your text. These tools make your content look better and easier to read. On the right side of the page, you will see important design and organization choices like insert, pages, and themes. These let you add things, organize pages, and decide how your whole website should look. Navigate to the Pages section and click the plus icon to add new pages. For example, create a page titled About to provide information about yourself or your brand. Check out the advanced settings in the Pages area. This has cool things like custom path, letting you make special web addresses for your pages, which makes it easier for people to find and helps with search engines. Using the three vertical dots next to a page, you can access various options. Click on Add Subpage to create subpages within your website structure. For instance, add a blog page as a subpage under the About page. Go to the Themes part to decide how your whole website should look. Try out different themes until you find the one that matches your brand or what your content is about. Change the colors and the way the words look in the themes part. Using the same colors and fonts makes your website look neat and organized. Make your website more your own by putting up a background picture. You can do this in the image part. Go to the Pages section, choose a page, and make it look special. This helps each page have its style while still looking similar to the rest. Check out the Insert part to add different things to your pages, like image carousel, button, divider, and more. Go to the Text box part to put in and change words on your website. This tool helps you organize and show information in different ways. In Embed, you can add links or codes for things like videos and pictures from other places to your site. It makes your site more interesting. Scroll down on the page editor to discover additional options such as collapsible group, table of contents, and more. Improve your text by using the formatting options in the text box section. Changing fonts, colors, and spacing enhances its overall look. You can find options like preview and others in the top panel. Click on the share icon to explore sharing options. You can also check the settings option. Before you share your website with everyone, click preview to see how it looks now. This helps you figure out if there is anything that needs fixing for it to look best. Now enter your website's web address, URL, and then click publish to make it available for everyone to see. This is how you can make a free website for Google Ads. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.